The Tech Fixr will show you how to disable your Instagram account temporarily. So if you're trying to disable or deactivate your Instagram profile temporarily, follow these simple steps. And the process will be similar for Android and iOS users. Go ahead and launch your Insta application, then go to your profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Settings and privacy. Account Center. Tap on Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select here your Instagram profile, and here make sure to select Deactivate Account. Deactivating your account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. So tap on Continue, and to confirm, enter here your Instagram password and tap on Continue, and your profile will be deactivated temporarily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.